If you keep chopping garlic over and over again, you have to see this. This way I always have garlic paste ready to cook. I will peel half a kilo of garlic. The most important thing is to remove the germ from the garlic. That way, the paste will not be bitter and will last longer. Clean all the garlic in the same way. I cleaned the garlic and I won't wash it. If you wash garlic, it must be dried well. Best with a towel. Water that remains on the cloves dilutes the paste and shortens its shelf life. I need a blender. I add a teaspoon of salt before blending. The salt draws excess moisture from the garlic, stabilizes the paste, and slows spoilage. I'll blend it. Texture is very important. It must not be liquid or dry. I add 100 milliliters of oil with a neutral taste. I use cold-pressed sunflower oil. I will blend briefly, just to mix the oil. I won't mince too much. The paste should not run off the spoon. I add the juice of half a lemon. Citric acid keeps the paste from spoiling. It can stay longer in the refrigerator. I blend briefly, just to combine the ingredients. The garlic paste should look like this. I need a jar. Press to release air. This way, the garlic paste will last longer. I pour oil to cover the garlic paste. I will close. Store the garlic paste in the refrigerator. Always use a clean spoon when using. If you want to store the paste at room temperature, it must be pasteurized. Use the paste for all dishes in which you add garlic. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.